Paano nga ba mag-deposit at pumili ng funds sa copy trading? Ganito ang itsura sa loob ng ating app called Vantage kapag phone ang gamit mo. By default, ito agad ang makikita mo pagpasok sa home screen. To start, click Trade. Click Copy at may lalabas na account name called Copy Nickname. Pindutin mo yan. Sa upper right ng screen, click Add Funds. Then click Deposit. Now, kung mapapansin mo, minimum deposit natin dito is $10. Pero para makapag-copy ka ng isang fund properly, I highly suggest na at least nasa around $50 to $100 yung balance mo, which is roughly around 6,200 pesos on average. Now, input your amount, then click Continue. Makikita mo dyan yung mga top payment options. Pinaka-common natin dito is GCash. Now, in my case, since GoTime yung gamit natin, pipiliin natin yung Philippine Instant Bank Transfer Tertiary. Then, click Pay Now. Sa pinakababang option ng screen, click QR Code Payment. Then, automatically magja-generate siya ng QRPH image. Kapag lumabas na yung QRPH image, either take a screenshot or download the image. Now, whether GCash, GoTime, o kahit anong banking app yan, as long as meron siyang QRPH option, all you need to do is just click Scan. Then, upload mo lang yung QRPH image na sinave mo kanina. Kapag successful na yung payment, balik ka lang dito sa Vantage app. Then, click the X button sa upper right ng screen. Makikita mo ngayon yung payment processing. Normally, sa isang transaction, it would only take around 6 minutes or less. But if you want to check kung pumasok na ba talaga yung funds mo, click mo lang yung Trade, then Copy, then My Copy. Sa baba niyan, andyan lahat ng assets na pinili mo. Pero since beginner ka pa lang sa copy trading, I humbly advise na conservative assets muna yung pipiliin mo. For example, JFX Fund. Isa pa sa pinakamagandang i-copy is JFX Genesis. Kapag andito ka na sa screen, make sure na selected yung copy mode. By default, dapat nakaselect na rin yung equivalent use margin. And for the investment balance, ilagay natin is at least $100. Then yung used margin multiples, gawin nating 1.0. Now, mapapansin mo dito, by default, nakaset yung risk management natin at 65%. But since conservative asset yung kinokopya natin, pwede natin siya i-drag to 95%. Then, click Submit. Now, kung gusto mong i-check yung ongoing copied funds mo, same process lang. Click Trade, then My Copy. And makikita mo dyan yung mga ongoing copied assets mo. Congratulations! Isa ka ng legit na copier. Kung may mga tanong ka pa about copy trading, make sure you comment that sa ating Telegram community or dito mismo sa ating video.